Yeah, that's your perfect spot, isn't it? Because that's as far as I can throw. Here. Here. Just drop it up here. Here. Where's the other? Here. There you go. Where's the other one? Where's the other ball? Where is it? You thought I was going to have a short throw that time.
Good jumping.
Oh no, I don't play with those.
You can't throw them very good. Anyway, where's the ball?
Get the ball.
Oh, I see them. There's one. They're on the floor, dude. Brother's got them. Dude.
No, we're not going to play. You get off Mom's foot.
There they are. Get the balls. Get one. Ace is guarding him. Ace, choose your ball. He got the new one. Okay.
Choose mine. Okay, we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Come on, get ready, dude. Get ready. Ah, you got it.
Good boy. Drop it.
Drop. Drop. Drop right there. Good boy.
Back up. Good backing up.
Back. Back up. Back up.
That's
his
back up to him. Throw it to him right there.